Do you want to meet the best chef from Zanzibar? And do you think it's crazy that he's not from Zanzibar? He's from Sweden? Jussi is living in Zanzibar since over 30 years, and his restaurant is located directly on the Matembe Beach. He is very deep into local ingredients, and that's why we went straight into his small permacultural garden.
I would say the most local food I have seen by now is not with herbs. Is that right?
That's correct. They don't use much herbs in their cooking here. In the local cooking, very few. Here we have a stand of Azestasia, this Chinese violet. I already picked a lot for our pesto.
Amazing how he's always searching and finding natural products that reminds him of Sweden.
So you always try to work with your Swedish soul in the local Zanzibar cooking?
In a sense, of course. I mean, that's my heritage, and I grew up with it. So, and now, when being so long time here, there is a kind of nostalgic things as well. You know, when you find something that is from your childhood. Oh wow!
And then we started the cooking.
For sure, some cloves. That's so Zanzibari. And now it's time for the gnocchis.
Yes, gnocchis. That was Jussi's idea, and instead of using potatoes than the Italian guys, he is using cassava roots. So, Italian idea switched into Zanzibari-style.
Yeah, this is our warm lobster salad. We're gonna eat together with the breadfruits and some leaves, fresh herbs.
Ooh, this warm lobster salad, it was crazy good. This freshness and acidity from the starfruit, some celery and tomatoes and spring onions.
Food is coming. Oh. That's the best part.
Thank you.
So again, we have the garden pesto.
Cassava gnocchi.
Cassava gnocchi.
With a bit of Swedish flavors or local flavors. There's the allspice, onion, clove, black pepper. It's very Swedishy, but the spices are from here, obviously.
Okay.
Then some greens and flowers, and some long banana that we fried, or we grilled as well.
We grilled, yeah.
On top of it. So, yeah, bon appetit. The flowers are, it's a buckwheat, those pink flowers.
Buckwheat?
Yeah, these ones.
Yes.
It's a tropical version of the buckwheat.
Ah, okay. What's the name?
Buckwheat.
So, are you ready to taste Zanzibar yourself? Then book your stay with TUI Blue Hotels and dive into the real, authentic cuisine of this beautiful island on your next vacation. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get some more exciting travel footage.